Let's go.
Freedom. Hey folks, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a fall wig lookbook. And in these lookbooks are my top, I think about 5 or 7 wigs, top 5 or 7 wigs that I think are perfect for the fall. Since we're about to go into the winter season, I figured let me go ahead and do this. I used to do it all the time before, and then I stopped, and I'm just like, let me just go back and get into the groove of things. So if you're wondering what kind of wig going to be in this video, I can definitely tell you Miss Dione is definitely in this video, because I'm not gonna lie, when I did a review on her, I was kind of shitting on her a little bit, saying I wasn't feeling her too much. But girl, I'm not gonna lie, I might go ahead and stock up and get some more on Miss Dione, because she is pretty. Her color is beautiful. I'm wearing her glueless right now, and she's still giving. Okay. And she got me my new job. Crushed my interview with Miss Dione on. So with that being said, she is definitely going to be #1 in this video. Anyway guys, if you like what you see, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a baddie like this one, or the baddies I'm about to show you, you can go ahead and get notified. Alright, so let's get into this lookbook. Enough talking from me, okay?
Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish you knew. That's just like you. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said. You break it, you bought it. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. I know life Good night. Good night. Did you get ready in the dark or something? 'Cause you look like a beautiful nightmare. Don't you know? Don't judge me. I just wish he knew. That's just like you. I miss you all the time. I need you. I want you. I think you're really cool. Yeah, that's what I said.
I hope you enjoyed that video. My top 3, honestly, of course, is Miss Dione. Miss Begonia had the girls. Ooh, her color was nice and bright and beautiful. I love Miss Begonia. And then Miss Bobbi Boy's Phila. Ooh, she just makes me feel like a whole nother person. Boy, she's ooh, Phila. Yes, girl. I love you, girl. I love you, girl. Anyway, guys, I hope you liked this video. Again, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you can get notified. Alright, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.